Western Evansville. Flash flood emergency for Western Evansville, including the Mechanicsville, Red Bank, Airport and Harwood neighborhoods. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for central Vanderburgh County in southwestern Indiana until 10:15 p.m. At 6:13 p.m., radar and rain gauges show a narrow area of 3 to 6 inches of rain on the western side of Evansville. Additional moderate to heavy rain is anticipated. Numerous swift water rescues are underway. Conditions deteriorate significantly over a short distance. Motorists are urged to avoid travel in the area. This is a flash flood emergency for Western Evansville, including the Mechanicsville, Red Bank, Airport and Harwood neighborhoods. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Expected hazards include life-threatening flash flooding, thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency management reported. The following impacts are expected. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Evansville and Casson. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following county: Vanderburgh, Indiana,